Welding is just a fusion of metals and science. It's a lot of hands-on work, hard work, and it's very rewarding in the sense of feeling a sense of achievement once you start building stuff.
One of the greatest satisfactions you can get out of this field is when you finish a finished product and you have your hands, your effort in them. It means a lot to you. I mean, that's something that money just can't buy.
Some of the jobs that the students can get as soon as they get out of here from getting their certificate, running through our programs, getting their certificate, is of course the entry-level journeyman, entry-level welder. This is the best foundation you can have. They can also pursue a career in engineering, which is welding engineering.
Companies do work with our kids. Companies here in the Valley, up north, in Houston area, Corpus area, you can see the programs paying off with our students. There's different programs available at Mission CISD. Throughout your 4 years in high school, you can graduate with your certificate. They started a new program here at Veterans Memorial that you can start your junior year. So your junior year and senior year will give you the same certificate, but in 2 years instead of the 4. And also we've been doing the skate program, which is an extensive program that only works on your final year, which is your senior year, okay? There's no summer. You start your classes in June. You go June, July, August, and all your calendar year of your senior year, and you'll graduate with your same certificate. So there's 3 options through STC that you can end up with your certificate, which has 29 college hours that the school pays for.
Getting these students college and career ready. Mission CISD has provided this nice shop for them with the equipment necessary to go into the workforce and actually start working from day one. Explore a career in welding here at Mission CISD. It's yet another way we're changing the world.